ImportClean is a tool for fast cleanup and optimization of imported CAD and BIM models in 3ds Max. Installation is super simple. Just drag and drop the MZP file into any 3ds Max viewport, then add the button to your toolbar from the RM Scripts category and customize UI. The first module is Smart Geometry Conversion into Editable Poly. Standard Convert to Poly in 3ds Max often breaks roundings and creates non-planar polygon artifacts on CAD meshes. The script preserves curvature, validates planarity, and retains boundary vertices, so cylindrical shapes and fillets remain intact. Moving on to a heavy architectural model with hundreds of windows and shutters. After importing from Revit or CAD, thousands of redundant diagonal edges and extra vertices often clutter flat surfaces in straight lines. This causes viewport lag, bloats file size, and leads to shading errors during further editing. The second module is Clean Redundant Vertices. It operates in two passes, removing invisible diagonals on planar faces and welding collinear vertices along straight lines. The script scans the geometry and finds tens of thousands of vertices that do not affect the object's shape. Click Clean Mesh. With a single click, over 176,000 redundant vertices are removed. The mesh is lightweight and the geometry remains clean. The third module is Identical Elements. It breaks down the compound mesh into connected elements and groups identical components by geometric signature, including dimensions and polygon counts. The list can be sorted by size or frequency. The quick size filter lets you instantly select and delete microscopic import artifacts and dust to optimize scene weight. The Detach button allows you to separate the selected elements into a new independent object with a single click. The Find similar feature allows you to select any element in the viewport, like a single window frame, and instantly selects all matching instances across the entire model. Link to the script is available in the description and Telegram channel.